Good evening, friends. Welcome to Durga Soft online training. Myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 12 years of experience in various technologies. Okay, sir. Here we are starting a new logic-based programming. Okay, sir. We are starting a new logic-based programming batch. Okay, sir, with 350 plus programs, sorry, 300 plus programs. But for this batch, I promised 350 programs we are going to cover in C, Java, and Python. So the implementation for this problem will be covered in all these three languages. Like for every program, solution I am going to explain in C as well as Java in Python. Then let me give some brief introduction about the course and what we have discussed in the last video. Okay, sir, this is the second class. Okay, and from I mean tomorrow and the day after tomorrow we don't have any session. Again, the next session will be on 27th Monday evening as usual, 8:30 to 9:30. From Monday we are going to start explaining the programs for you people, and the course is nothing but LBP 5. This is the fifth batch, sir. And the duration of the course is nothing but 3 months we are going to spend to discuss these 350 programs, and make sure that you people have to available in this time period, that is 8:30 to 9:30 daily. We are going to discuss problems. Monday to Friday sessions will be there, but if time situation, based on the time and based on the coverage of syllabus, we will take 1 or 2 sessions on Saturday and Sunday. Next, the fees for this course is nothing but rupees 1500 Indian currency, and you have to register for this course by contacting to this number. The number is nothing but 8096 969696. Please contact to this number and ask for payment link. They will say share the payment link. With that you have to pay and you need to get registered. So after registration you are going to get running notes and videos and regular class updates through mail. Okay, and what benefits you are going to get? As usual, sir, whenever you are joining a course in our Durgasoft, we will provide running notes on daily basis. Once if the class is completed, I am going to upload that running notes in a Google Drive link where you can receive. Sir, in the same manner I am going to upload even the video recording also. Video recording also we are going to provide. Then, sir, there will be some free workshops will be organized by myself. Sir, here, see, we are concentrating implementations only. That is, so suppose if you have a problem, how you can able to solve the problem? Coding we are going to see. But in that, there may be a need of some basics, sir, like arrays. What is mean by array? Strings, regular expression, recursion. Okay, looping statement, patterns, all these things are required. For that, we are going to plan a separate workshop only for special focusing on logic based programming batch students. Sir, you can attend these workshops freely, and videos and running notes material will be shared for you people regarding those things. So simultaneously you get the language level concepts also. And we are going to provide a hacker rank link, permanent hacker rank link we are going to provide. Sir, in that, whatever new program is going to come to my database, I will upload, so that lifetime validity it is going to be there for you. So daily you can practice the programs on this hacker rank link. Okay, a separate link we are going to create for our batch. This is nothing but introduction to the course and what benefits you are going to get, and what is our daily activities. Sir, we are going to do these things daily, sir. Daily we are going to solve the problems, sir, in these 8 steps. What is the first step, sir? First, we have to read the problem statement what we have, and you need to divide the problem. Suppose if the problem is very big, you need to divide that problem into individual pieces. then you have to solve that problem. Sir, how you can solve that problem? For that you have to think the logic and you need to implement, sir. Then the implementation of the program will be there in C, and we are going to implement in Java, and we are going to implement in Python, and we have to run the program. And if there is any compilation error, it will show that error. Suppose if there is no compilation error, you can submit the program for final approval, where every program you are going to get 1 point. Sir, first I will explain one program how you can able to solve. Then I will go with the sir basics of C language, how you can able to write a message on the screen, how you can able to read the data. That part I will explain. Okay, sir, I will take one previous batch link is there. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sir, I'm taking that previous batch link. Okay, logic based programming batch link I am taking. So from that I'm explaining for you people. Okay, so I will take any one problem and I will try to solve for you people. Yes, sir, please confirm, is my screen is visible? Please confirm, is the hacker rank screen is visible? Yes, sir, very good. Now here I want to solve one problem, sir. Here I want to solve one problem. What is that a problem is nothing but, let me take, sir, logic based programming number 4. Okay, sir, here you can able to see some big problem is there. Okay, no need, that part we will take later. Let me take small program because we need to explain demo purpose, right? Yes, yeah. So let me take one problem. Here, observe here, implement a program that takes a number as an argument. Sir, you have to read a number from the user. Okay, sir, you have to read a number from the user, and then you need to increment the value by +1 and returns the result. Sir, you need to read a number and you have to add +1 and you have to return the result. Sir, sample test cases also they have provided, like if the input is 0, output should be 1. Sir, if input is 4, output is nothing but 5. Sir, one value we have to increment, beyond that nothing is there. Sir, I want to run this program in Java. Okay, I want to take this program in Java. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem? If you want to read the data, compulsory we have to declare an object for scanner class, because in the scanner class you can able to read data dynamically from the user based on the primitive types what you are providing. Like if you want, you can read integer value, or if you want, you can read floating point value. Sir, if you want, you can read a string value. All these things are possible. Anyway, don't worry, I will explain a program and I will explain somewhat theory related to this scanner class. Sir, I created one object, then you need to read the number because they are asking to read a number. Sir, obj dot next int I am taking. Yes, I am reading the integer value. Then what is their duty? Sir, they are asking you need to add +1 to this number and store the result in the same number. And then, sir, you have to print the result, system.out.println of num. Like this they are asking. Sir, if you run the code, sir, first it will check is there any mistake in your program. If there is no mistake, sir, for the given possible test cases, is it returning proper result or not, it will validate internally, sir. Suppose consider I am not taking semicolon here, so what will happen? Sir, it raises a error message saying, sir, something semicolon is missing. Like you need to solve this problem by your own. Okay, suppose consider instead of n plus 1, sorry, instead of number plus 1, I am taking number minus 1. Sir, there is no error in the program, but the problem is, sir, you have not solved properly for the given input and output. Then you are going to get into mark like this. Sir, your code did not pass this test case because your input is nothing but 0. Sir, whatever your program is returning is nothing but minus 1, but my expected answer is nothing but 11. Sir, for test case 2 also, the input is 4, your output is 3, but expected output is nothing but 5, right? Like this it has to be verified. So in such cases, what we have to do, you need to do like this. Okay, anyway, for this we have one special operator is there in Java, which is nothing but plus plus, which is called as increment operator. Now I am running. Yes, working properly, and you can submit the code for final test cases. Okay, sir, public test cases only 4, private test cases almost 6 test cases are there. You can able to see here, sir, all the test cases are passed, your status is accepted, and how much score I got, sir? 1 point. Like this, a fresh link I am going to provide for you people. Sir, you can see the remaining students position also here. Okay, you can see the remaining students position, sir, who are doing this program. Like this, sir, you can practice, right? What are those test cases, Saho? Is these test cases are hidden? These test cases are hidden. Only public test cases I am going to reveal. Remaining things, sir, if I am displaying output, input and output, you can able to solve the problem. But you need to solve the problem by reading this problem statement and whatever input output formats they have given and whatever constraints you have. Sir, based on that, you have to provide implementation. Forget about the test cases, private test cases, it won't be visible for you. Even in the company coding challenges also, they are going to provide a platform like this where you have to type the program. Minimum 10 test cases will be there. If you secure more than 6 test cases, if you are passing for the program, yes, you are eligible for the next round. In Wipro, okay, they are going to give 3 programs. In these 3 programs, you have to solve minimum 2 programs in the coding round. Sir, for those 2 programs, first program 10 test cases, second program 10 test cases, minimum 6 will be there for one, and other program 7. Suppose if your first program is 7, second program is 6, no problem, it is accepted. Like some test cases also, minimum these many test cases you have to pass. Like this, there are some constraint some company people are going to conduct. Sir, not some, maximum company people are going to conduct coding challenges in this scenario only. That is the reason why we are introducing these type of coding challenges for the students. Okay, sir, you can see one more program just for your reference purpose. Sir, implement a program to calculate a sum of odd digits present in the given number. Sir, I want to solve this problem by using C. Okay, how you can able to solve this problem? First, we have to read a number called n, and a digit must be required. Sum you have to calculate. Sir, now by using scanf statement, you can read a data from the user. You know very well. Okay, then, sir, while initially sum is equal to 0, sir, while until your n value is not equal to 0. Sir, don't worry, just for demo purpose I am explaining for you. Please don't worry. Okay, please don't worry. Now n is not equal to 0. Sir, I am taking digit is equal to n percentage 10. Then, sir, you have to check the condition whether your digit is odd digit or not. If it is the odd digit, what we have to do? Sir, sum is equal to sum plus d we have to take. Then n is equal to n by 10 we are taking. That's all. Finally, you have to print the result. Don't worry, I will explain in detail about this in our programs. Like with the diagram, I will explain, because calculating sum of the digits is a very, very important program. Even in future also, we are going to see these type of programs in matrices, and even in arrays. That is the reason, sir, you need to learn very clearly in the beginning sessions itself. Okay. Next, if you run the program, it is going to run against public test cases. Yes, both public test cases are passed. Now you need to submit the code for final test cases. Yes, I think all the final test cases are satisfied. This is the way how you can able to solve this problem by using C language implementation. Like this, for every problem, you can able to expect a C language code, you can able to expect a Java code, you can able to expect a Python code for every problem. Okay. So even if I am giving any homework for you people, definitely I will do as a part of my duty. Okay. Then, sir, after completion of this, I am going to copy paste the program, whatever we have done. You can maintain this reference document, sir, even in your future also. Just you can search for the program, you can search for the program, and that program code will be there for you. Okay, sir, it will be very useful when you are going for any coding round. Just half an hour or 1 hour you can refer this document. If time permits, you can take printout also, sir. Okay. Yeah, sir, I think how you can able to solve the problem in hacker rank, the mode, the approach what we are going to follow, sir, I think it is very clear for you people, right? Sir, forget about coding, definitely I will explain, it is my duty. Okay. Yes, sir, up to this, do you have any doubts? Please confirm. Yeah, morning it is not possible to take the batch. This batch is specifically from 8:30 to 9:30, sometimes 9:45, like that. And payment details are shared in our chat window. Please look into it and try to register as early as possible. Okay. No, 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 no. Yeah, you can contact to this number. I already told, right? You can contact to that number, 8096969696. They will provide the details. Or you can send to durgasoftonline@gmail.com. Yeah, Akshay, at the beginning level, today that is a task. How to print a message on the screen, how to read the data from the user, that part only I'm explaining in today's section. Okay, so we are not entering into the actual challenges because basics is important. At least whatever concepts we are using in our program, at least you should have a minimum knowledge. That's why, sir, as a part of that, we will see how to interact with reading and writing, IO operations. That part we are going to discuss now. Akshay, don't worry. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this timing was fixed, sir. It is not possible to change because some other sessions are there for me from 7 to 8:30. Okay. Yeah. Programming topic, Mayank Kumar. We are going to cover all these areas like programs on numbers, programs on strings, especially programs on arrays, programs on matrices. Okay, all this area we are going to touch. Only on arrays we have almost 50 to, if not 50, 70 to 80 programs are there. Okay. Data structures we are not covering. I already told data structures is not there in this. For data structure, a separate batch will be there. You can join for that. because here we are concentrating on problem solving. Okay. No, there is no morning batch. DS problems, if I already told in the last class itself. So if any, suppose if I am taking any program, somewhere I want to introduce a queue concept, then we will take that queue concept and we will implement here. Okay. But we are not going to cover that queue data structure in detail in our course. Are you getting my point? So if anything is required, we will bring that into our concepts. But that complete concept we are not moving. Something like we are going to embed that concept in our program, but that part we are not going to cover as a separate topic. That's what I'm explaining. Sir, data structures, if demand, here we will use that data structure. But program to implement a stack data structure, queue data structure, you can't expect such type of programs from here. Okay, because it is related to the problem solving, not theoretical concepts. Okay. Yeah, sorting technique will be there. See, if I have a elements, they will ask us to sort the elements in different genres. Okay. But you can apply any algorithm. We have almost 6 to 7 types are there, efficient techniques like merge sort, quick sort, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, like that. You can apply any sorting technique, but all these sorting techniques final output is the same, right? So that point we are covering here. You can implement in any sorting technique. Okay. Yeah, Python batch, you can expect maybe in the first week of January, evening times. Yes, we are going to plan that batch also. Yeah. Yes, sir, remaining doubts we will discuss later. Sir, let me continue our content now. Sir, what is today's agenda is nothing but, sir, first, I want to explain some programs for you people, sir. I want to explain some programs for you people. Okay. Let us see what is that. Sir, please ask relevant doubts. Okay. Django, all these things not required here. So you can able to see our Telegram group is there. In that you can expect all my batches. Okay. Sir, Java by K Prakash Babu sir, or Python by K Prakash Babu sir. Sir, you can able to expect these courses from my side. Java is there. Sir, Python is there. Okay. Then this logic based programming is there. Okay. And moreover, sir, full stack. Okay. Sir, full stack Java developer batch is there. Okay. And then, sir, core and advanced Java, core and advanced Java, sir, both package batches are there. So from my side. Okay. So this full stack Java developer batch is going to start on 29th, sir, 29th December 2021, sir, at morning 8 o'clock. Okay. So the link is already there in our Telegram group. You can check it. Okay. Similarly, sir, Python batch date is not yet announced, but it will be in the, sir, first week of January, sir, 2022. Maybe in the evening times you can expect. And in the same slot, you can expect one Java batch also. Java batch in the sense core and advanced Java. Okay, same, maybe in the first week or second week of Jan 2022, same in the evening timings only. These are my upcoming batch details. Okay, if anyone interested, yeah, you can. Thank you. Now, sir, let me go for uh, first. I want to talk about output statement, sir. If I want to print any output on the screen, sir, how you are going to print? In C language, sir, we have one statement is there with name, sir, printf. Maybe you know about this printf. You can take a message here, sir, which is going to print that message on the screen. Okay. Similarly, in C++, sir, we have sorry, C out is there. Sir, we have to take a message here. That message will be printed on the screen. Sir, I will take a message here. Welcome is nothing but my message. Here also, welcome is nothing but my message. Then, sir, how you are going to print the message on Java? In Java, we have different approaches are there. First thing, system.out.println welcome we can use like this. Sir, next one is nothing but, sir, you can take a system.out.println of welcome. Like this also we can print. Some slight changes will be there. That part as a, while explaining the program itself, I will take, sir. Then system.out.printf also we can take. Sir, do you know it is similar to this one? How your C language printf is using, same printf they have provided in Java also. Next, sir, what about Python? Sir, in Python, directly we have print. Sir, you can take the message, even semicolon is not required. Python is a dead easy programming language. Sir, these are nothing but statements what we have. And please wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. Sir, I am going to explain the complete concept for you people with examples. Sir, first example, write a C program to print, sir, welcome to C language. Okay, on the screen. I want to print this message on the screen. For this requirement, I have to write the program. And the same program I am going to take for C++ also. But I need to print on C++. Here I want to print on Java. Here I want to print on Python. This is nothing but my requirement. I want to solve this problem. Write a C++ program, okay, or write CPP program, write a Java program, write a Python program. Sir, first let me start about C language. Sir, I want to write a program to print simple welcome to C language message on the screen. Sir, for this purpose, I am going for one online editor, sir. One online compiler is there with me. What is that online compiler? Is nothing but Jodel website. Sir, you can practice the programs even in your mobile also. Sir, it is an online compiler which is providing 76 languages support with two databases also. Okay, it is an online compiler and editor. Sir, these are nothing but various programming languages what they have. But in these, what is our requirements are? You need to go with Java. Sir, you need to go with C, and you have to go with C++, and you have to go with sir, Java and Python. Where is my Java? Where is my Python? Python 3 is there. Sir, Java somewhere it will be available. Yeah, first here itself we have. So now I want to solve the problem in C language, right? Let me open C editor. This is nothing but the compiler what we have. Sir, here you have to type the program here, and you have to click the execute button. And if your program demands any input, you need to type here, and it is expecting results will be printed on this black screen. This is nothing but the functionality of this tutorial. Don't worry, sir, I will explain how we are going to work. But anyway, in our course, all these things automatically done. Just you need to write the code and you need to click on execute. Inputs already I supplied, output already I have given, so no need to take by ourselves. Right, now I'm going to write the program. What is the first step? Hash include. Sir, if you want to work with printf, so what we have to do? Sir, someone have to write the instructions for printf function. Sir, printf function is going to be done like this. Then you need to do some activity for this purpose. That activities are already stored in the library format. Like if you want to send a message in WhatsApp, sir, I want to send a good night symbol followed by some sweet dreams. Okay, and I want to send a smiley symbol. Sir, if you want to use a smiley symbol in your WhatsApp, sir, some library should be there. In that library, every smiley is registered there. Sir, our WhatsApp is automatically importing that library and it is working. Suppose maybe in your library you have 10 emojis are there, 10 smiley symbols are there. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can expect 5 more new smileys that will be added once if you perform update operation. Like if you want to perform any activity repeatedly, sir, the data will be available in the form of library. The data will be available in the form of library. Sir, from that you can able to extract. Okay. Sir, just 1 minute. Please wait 1 minute. Yes, sorry. Sir, this is nothing but ash include. What is the header file name, sir? stdio.h we have to take. Next and after that, integer main. Sir, main method we have to take. Main method is nothing but a starting point of each and every program. Whether you are writing Java program or C++ program or Python program, any program you can take. Sir, where the program execution is going to start, sir? From main method only. Then I am taking already, printf. Sir, I want to take a message called welcome to C language like this. I want to print a message like this. Sir, just you need to click on which button? Execute button. So what will happen? Whatever message you have taken here, sir, it will be printed on the output screen, right? So printf is nothing but a function which is used to print the data to the console. Even in our further sessions, if you want to implement the program, finally whatever result you got, you need to print that result on the screen, right? For that we required which function, sir? Printf function. Sir, I think it is very clear. Now I will take another program. Like, sir, I want to do the same activity, sir, but by using which programming language? C++. Sir, the concept is the same, just the programming language is going to change. Now I am taking C++. Now I am taking C++. Sir, what we have to do here? Sir, you need to write the code again. Sir, ash include. Here IO stream you have to take. Don't take .h because C++ supports everything in the form of streams. That's why I am taking ash include IO stream. Then, sir, using namespace std. Sir, it is related to the packages encapsulation techniques. Forget about that, it is not in our scope now, but remember this word you have to take. Then this main method is also returning integer value, integer main method, and here you need to take a c out, and I am printing, sir, welcome to, okay, welcome to C++ programming, welcome to C++ programming, like this I am taking. That's all. Now just you need to click on execute button. Automatically your code is going to execute and you are going to get output here. Excellent. Sir, I know how to display a simple message in, sir, C language and C++. Sir, what about Java? I told already, in Java a big skeleton we have to take, sir. A big skeleton we have to take. Of course, so much security is there, but remember, a big skeleton we have to take. Sir, I will explain step by step. at least some extent you can able to get. Sir, first we have to take public class, any class name you can take. Assume I am taking class name as a demo, class name as a demo. Sir, why you are taking that demo class as a public? Because you are executing the program in your mission, but the compilers, all these libraries are there in Joodle server somewhere in the world. It will be available, so you need to send your data from here to there. That's why we are using public. Sir, these online compilers for learning purpose, not for real-time environment. Okay, real-time environment you need to install, you have to run, and you have to create jar files, war files, executable files, and you need to deploy that in your client mission. But as of now, it is not required, just for practice. That's why public class demo. The syntax of main method in general we are taking main, right? But sir, in Python, sir, in Java, this method is nothing but a public, sir, static void main string array args. Like this we have to take. Sir, don't worry about main method also. We are going to cover one workshop. If you attend that workshop, the complete story about this main method you can able to get, sir. That's all, beyond that nothing. Sir, now system dot out dot, I told several functionalities are there, but regularly we are going to use welcome, sorry, println welcome to, sir, Java I am printing. That's all. Once if you click on execute button, sir, you are going to execute the program, and that result will be displayed on the screen here. Yes, this is nothing but how you can able to solve the program in, I mean, print the message in Java. Sir, my favorite programming language, Python. Python. Okay. Sir, do you know Python is the most popular programming language nowadays? Sir, I want to show you one small syllabus for you, Python syllabus. Sir, you can see input and output statements are there. Sir, in how many ways you can accept the data from console is nothing but input function is there, and the typecasting and the eval function is there. But print, in how many forms that print function is available, sir? 10 forms are there. In 10 formats you can use that print statement. So an intelligent programming language is nothing but Python. Sir, do you know such a powerful programming language is Python? Sir, don't worry. Sir, you will get the flavor of Python in our upcoming sessions. Okay. Sir, I want to print welcome to Python on the screen. Very simple, sir. A single line code, main method, all these things are not required, because Python supports different approaches, sir. So by using Python, you can implement scripting language, and you can write functional programming, and you can write object oriented programming, you can write modular programming, modularity programming. Sir, like n number of approaches are there, but anyway, preferably we are going to depends on this scripting and functional for solving the problems. But to do the big projects we need object oriented principles, all these things. Sir, just I want to write a simple script. If you want to write a script, print of welcome to, sir, my favorite programming, okay, which is nothing but Python. Like this I am taking. Okay, just click on execute. Sir, it is going to print like this. Okay. Sir, have a look once how easy it is, right? This is nothing but various ways to print a message on the screen. Okay, this is nothing but a beautiful technology which we have, online editors. Sir, just I explained only one activity till now. What is that activity? Sir, in our logic based programming, whenever we are doing program, you are going to accept the data from the user, and you will manipulate with the data. Finally, you are going to store the data in some result variable. That result variable you have to print on the screen. Definitely, for that purpose, you required some statement, which is nothing but output statement. In C language, sir, how you can able to use output statement? In C++, how you can able to use output statement? Sir, in Java, how you can able to use? In Python, how you can able to use? I think it is very clear for you people. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm, friends. Yes, this is nothing but today's session. Okay, and of course I'm going to speed up from Monday. Sir, Monday our agenda is nothing but how you can able to accept input from the user. Okay, how you can able to accept input from the user. So like output statements we have in C++ and Java, Python, right? In the same way, how you can able to read the data from the user. I will explain almost 30 to 40 minutes we are going to spend on this, and then we will see some basic one or two programs also. And then after completion of this, sir, we are going to enter into the first challenge I'm going to explain on Monday, which is nothing but LBP1. Okay. And from Tuesday slowly, because admissions has to be happen, right? Slowly one by one we are going to see two programs one day, three programs one day, two programs one day, three programs, four programs, like that. So 2 to 3 days probably the demos will end at Tuesday or Wednesday. Then we will full-fledgedly starts from so 29th or 30th, like that. Okay. Yeah, once if the class is regularized, we are going to get a new link. With that we can spend much time and we can interact happily. So whatever doubts we are getting, sir, I am not understanding, I will repeat one or two times. See, we must very strong at the basic level. If you are strong at basic level, rest of the things will become very easy, right? It is very simple. Sir, if you are writing addition of two numbers program very perfectly, sir, changing of the symbol only, right? For the next programs, like that here also, once if you understand the flavor of one program, related programs, even no need to explain by myself, directly you can able to solve by yourself, right? So like that we will plan. Okay. How long these classes, how long is the class, days or months? Yes, definitely it requires minimum, sorry, not minimum, max 3 months, sir. Max 3 months we can able to solve. Okay. uh yeah, in C++ also we can able to solve the problems, but I am not going to cover in C++. Sir, I am concentrating on C, Python, and then Java. See, why I am going for Python and Java? Actually, we prepared to start this batch only for Java and Python, because in Java and Python we have so many predefined libraries are there. Using that happily we can solve the problem. But in the student point of view, sir, they must understand from where that predefined functions came, like how it is functioning in the background. For that purpose we have inserted this C language coding also. So from the C you can get the complete concept. Then how you can able to provide implementation from Java and Python, you can learn. Okay. In Python, parentheses are compulsory. Yeah, Rakesh, it is varied from version to version. In Python 2 it is not required, but we are in the Python 3. Python 2 days are gone. So last year itself Python validity is completed. Now we are in Python 3. Compulsory we have to use parentheses. Okay, Rakesh. Yes, the sessions are recorded sessions only. Akshay, no, today is not the last demo. Maybe Monday, Tuesday we will plan, then it will be. But make sure every person has to be registered, because so running notes, videos, and at the time of ending, okay, you may not receive proper mails because our admin team will be very busy. Okay, yeah. Sir, tomorrow there is no class. Sir, next class will be on Monday. Okay, next class is on Monday. Next class is on Monday. Okay, next class is on Monday. Tomorrow there is no class. Next class is on Monday as usual at 8:30. From Monday we are going to provide running notes, videos, all these things in the live session itself. Okay, I request everyone, those who have not yet registered, please register by today or Monday. Okay, from Monday we will rock. Yeah, sir, any doubts, please let me know. Yeah, Nikhil, you can share that receipt to the same number, whatever I have given, 8096 969696. To that you can send by using WhatsApp, or you can send to durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. No, 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 no. All these questions are not there. Rajan. No, this link is a demo link, sir. Rakesh. This link is demo link. Once if the demo is completed, we are going to share a new link. Okay. Sir, that link is a permanent. Okay. That link is nothing but permanent. Till our end of our course, only one link. But this is not that link because it is a demo session link. Okay. Yeah. Sir, hope all your doubts got clarified, it seems. Okay. Sir, thank you. We will meet for the continuation on Monday. From Monday, just 5 to 10 minutes revision will be there. From that, we will continue. Okay. Yeah. Sir, thank you, friends. Good night. Have a nice day.